everyone, welcome back to Thousands of Roots. Today Kip and the boys are going to be working on a dual purpose project. I kind of hinted toward it a couple videos ago, but today is the day. We've got this week coming in the mail ducklings and goslings, so we've got to build them a little home. So the guys are going to build them a little home today. It's going to be about an 8-foot by 4-foot shelter, and the top is going to be closed with 4 pieces of plexiglass that they're going to build wood frames and end up hinging open and close. So in the end, this is going to go in our kitchen garden and act as a cold frame to help extend our growing season. So I'm really excited about that aspect of it, but I'm also excited for the new life that's coming and that they're going to have a nice, safe, cozy shelter to grow up in for their first couple weeks here on the homestead. How's it going out here?
Oh, it's going well.
Just getting set up?
Yeah, we just gonna need a bunch of cuts first.
How about Biddleboo? Are you gonna help today?
Yeah.
What are you gonna help with on this project? Are you gonna say, good job, Daddy? Good job, brothers?
I don't think I can really think of anything.
How much do you like riding your bike?
A lot?
Yeah. That's been a pretty new thing for you, huh? You just learned what? How long ago did he learn how to ride his bike, Esther?
About 1 or 2 days ago, 3.
And you're loving it, huh?
Yep. Maybe 4.
Uh-huh.
Look who just learned to ride a bike. He's getting his wheel in the right position.
Just finished up lunch. Our oldest Caleb just turned 17, so we had a birthday lunch for him. He wanted breakfast burritos for lunch, so that was good. Now I'm going out to see how the project is coming. It's very bright. Yay, wow. It's taking shape. Looking good. How do you feel about this, Caleb?
It's looking good.
I agree. What do you think, Biddle? You like this? It's like a little playhouse almost, huh?
Yeah.
How's it, Nate?
Good.
You having fun building?
For the most part.
Yeah, beautiful day for working outside, huh?
Yep.
Get 'em. guys found a nice spot in the shade here, huh?
Yep.
How's she doing?
She's doing great.
You doing good, little one? Thanks for helping as always.
Yep.
Going in to make your pizza crust for pizza dinner.
Cool. Thank you, Mama.
You're welcome. First piece of plexiglass. That looks so nice, love.
Yeah,
What
it's
do you
coming
think?
along all right.
What do you think, Josh?
Plexiglass is a lot more see-through than I thought it'd be.
Yeah, it's really nice and clear, like glass. Hence the name.
It looks like plexi.
Like plexi.
Okay. Fit through.
Oh, we might have to sneak it. Should go right through. So these are self-drilling or self-tapping screws going through the plexiglass. All right, we got one section completed today. So
Now,
show us, Joshy.
now I'm gonna open up to pick. Oh.
Guess the latch works.
Now I'm gonna open up to pick some chillers.
Ooh, best harvest on the homestead.
There's one. Come here. There's two. One more.
Oh, she doesn't want to be picked yet. She's not full grown.
I guess not. Yep. Close back up then.
All right, that chiller can stay to grow longer.
Yep.
All right, that was another full day on the homestead building that box that's going to be a brooder for a while and then it's going to be turned into a cold house. Kind of like a greenhouse, but not a cold house. It's going to go right on top of the raised beds. And we're going to be building 7 more of them in the future. So this one's really a prototype. And we should get better and better at building them as we go. Our fundraiser, thank you so much, you guys, for those of you who gave to our fundraiser. And the fundraiser is going to be up for what, 2 more days before the end of the month. So a couple more days, but we want to make sure to say thank you, thank you, thank you. And if you're interested in giving to the fundraiser here in the last couple days, there'll be a link right down below in the description, the show notes. It is so nice to be able to make forward progress here on the homestead and to set up what's going to be these food growing systems. And my children really blessed me today with how able they are. Caleb, he turned 17 yesterday, so today is his day of, he got to choose every meal for today. So every meal is his menu. So we've really been enjoying his menu. Yeah. All right, you guys, that's about it for today. Thank you for joining us here on the homestead. Hey, Esther Pie, you doing a video bomb on me? We pray blessing over you and yours.
And whatever you do it with your whole heart.
Yeah.
Guess you fall asleep in the hammock. She hasn't been able to nap all day. She finally fell asleep. In the hammock. What do you think, Biddle? Does that look like a cozy spot?
Yeah.
So sweet.